Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. So this one that is about dy over dx. So I will put dx and 1 plus x squared go to the right. This one go to the left. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have octane of y. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of 1 plus x squared, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when x equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here. To find the value of c, Ln number 1, you got number 0, octane of number 1, that is about b over number 4. So that means c equals to this one. And now I can put b over 4 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.